The Science of Dreams, 10 Surprising Facts About Sleep. Although getting adequate sleep is crucial for our health, have you ever thought about what your brain does while you're fast asleep? Much has been learned about how our bodies, including thoughts, work during this crucial period. There are really a lot of interesting facts regarding sleep that you might not be aware of. The science of sleep is intriguing and is always changing, from why we dream to how many hours of sleep we truly require. All living things require sleep to function, and people sleep for around 1/3 of their lives. But while we sleep, our brains work really hard. It's not only a moment of physical relaxation. For decades, researchers have been investigating the science of sleep and have made groundbreaking advancements. We'll be examining 10 interesting facts about sleep in this video to help explain this puzzling yet crucial part of daily living. Welcome to the Know It All YouTube channel. To know about all the interesting facts from around the world, click the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. 10. What kinds of dreams are there? There are several ways that dreams might emerge. Lucid dreams happen when a person is dreaming while also being mindful of their dreaming. Dream material that is very realistic or distinct is considered vivid. The substance of bad dreams is irritating or upsetting. The same vision appears again in recurring nightmares over time. There are several forms of material that are very recognizable even within typical dreams. Things like flying, falling, being followed, or not being able to find a restroom are some of the most familiar and frequent motifs in dreams. 9. Blind persons can have visual dreams. In a study of individuals who were born blind, researchers discovered that they continued to exhibit visual imagery in their dreams and had eye movements that were associated with the memory of visual dreams. Additionally, they discovered that while having fewer REM eye movements than the study's seeing participants, the blind individuals still experienced the same dream feelings, including visual content. However, depending on their prior experiences, individuals can picture their dreams. They also tend to suffer nightmares more frequently than they do dreams. 8. The ability to control dreams. There is a technique known as lucid dreaming that allows you to control your dreams. A lucid dream is one in which, while sleeping, you are aware that you are dreaming. It is believed that lucid dreaming is a hybrid condition of awareness and REM sleep, during which you may frequently influence or control the content of your dreams. Some dreamers can maintain a state of semi-consciousness, especially in sophisticated and vivid dreams. This method, called lucid dreaming, enables you to actively participate in the narrative your mind crafts. You can improve your ability to solve problems creatively and generally while you sleep by understanding how to lucid dream. Do you know? Research has found that people who play video games frequently are more likely than non-players to experience lucid dreams in which they see themselves from outside of their bodies. They were also more adept at influencing their dream worlds, much like controlling someone else in a video game. 7. Dreams of men and women differ. Researchers have discovered that there are certain distinctions between men and women when it comes to the substance of their dreams, just as there are variances between the physiological aspects of men and women. According to multiple studies, males reported having dreams involving weaponry much more frequently than women did, whereas women reported having dreams about clothes reference points more frequently than men. Women frequently experience significantly longer dreams with more characters than men. Men dream about other men twice as often as women do, and women normally dream about women and men equally, especially when it comes to those characters who typically occur in dreams. 6. Dreams aid with our puzzle solving. Have you ever been exhausted from trying to solve an issue and simply wanted to fall asleep? Deirdre Barrett, a Harvard psychologist, has a hypothesis that suggests sleep may aid in the resolution of problems that have confounded us throughout the day. She claims that the visual and sometimes illogical nature of dreams makes them ideal for the kind of creative problem solving that is sometimes required. Dreams may have started out serving a different function, but they have likely developed through time to serve a variety of functions, including helping the brain reset and assisting with problem solving. 5. Not everyone has color dreams. Although everyone has a distinct idea of what dreams look like, 12% of people who are blind only have black and white dreams. The remaining group dreams in full color. Studies from 1915 until the 1950s indicated that most dreams were in black and white, but in the 1960s, these findings started to shift. Only 4.4% of young people's aspirations today are still in black and white. According to a recent study, the transition from black and white movies and television to color media may be responsible for those outcomes-altering patterns. In a study, researchers found that over 80% of those under the age of 30 reported having color dreams. 20% of people who were 60 years old reported having color dreams. Researchers hypothesized that colored television could contribute to the generation gap. Older individuals experienced more black and white dreams than those who were younger participants, according to the results of another study that used questionnaires as well as dream diaries. 90% of your dreams are forgotten. Most people find it difficult to recall even what they dreamed about the previous night because their brains remain in a reduced state of cognition during the whole dreaming process. Recall of dreams is most vivid immediately after awakening and gradually dwindles during the day. Dreams that repeat themselves are a little bit simpler to recall. But if you wake up immediately, you might remember your dream. 5 minutes after you wake up, you forget half of your dream. In 10 minutes, 90% is gone. Although it might be challenging, there are a few techniques for remembering dreams. One is maintaining a dream notebook and attempting to replay and record every memory you can recall upon waking. You may improve your mental skills and train your mind to recall your dreams more clearly in the future by keeping an ongoing dream journal. 3. While dreaming, we are unable to read, write, or communicate. The area of the human brain that is in charge of interpreting language is substantially less active while we are sleeping. For instance, some people are aware that they are speaking or interacting in their dreams, but they rarely really hear or see noises. The same effect occurs whether someone reads, writes, or even tells the time. People simply remember the primary concept of the dream. Nevertheless, it is practically hard to decipher words or even determine the precise moment. Keep in mind that your brain is the result of extensive evolution. But reading has only been a part of human culture for around 5,000 years. For this, your subconscious is not prepared. The conscious part of your brain is taking a vacation when you are sleeping. Even in your dreams, you are unable to read the time. In your nightmares, if you stare at one, the picture will be distorted or change into someone else. 2. Brain's left and right sides. Even though we all see dreams always, have you ever thought about how dreams are generated inside our brains? The left and right hemispheres of the brain appear to contribute to dream production in various ways. According to the findings of one study, the left hemisphere appears to be responsible for dream genesis, but the right hemisphere is responsible for dream vividness, figurativeness, and effective activation levels. According to a study of teenagers between the ages of 10 and 17, left-handed people are more likely to have lucid dreams and recall dreams inside dreams. 1. Always dreams are created with familiar people. There is no way for your mind to create new faces. Only because your subconscious remembers things does that make sense. Any face you see in your dreams is thus a face you have previously seen. However, this does not imply that you are acquainted with the individual. Well, just consider it. Your conscious mind doesn't actually focus on items that your eyes perceive and absorb. Consider all the individuals you see every day, including any faces you may have looked at while passing through a throng. Although you might not be able to place any of those faces, your subconscious did. However, the majority of the key characters in your dreams are often individuals you are familiar with since they take up more of your mental space. But occasionally, the individuals in your dreams might be an odd mixture of those you know and those you don't. We hope you learned a lot of surprising facts about dreaming while sleeping. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Don't be a know-it-all, instead be a learn-it-all.